What's up, YouTube? Doing another review on a cooler. This is the IGLOO 52 quart rolling cooler. I picked this cooler from Lowe's. I paid about 39 bucks for it, somewhere in that price range. This cooler holds 85 cans. That's what it states, and it says "Stay cool." Now, I'm not totally sure what the advertised time on cool is on this thing, but I will tell you this. Just going around the cooler, it looks pretty solid. It does have a rolling feature. You have the wheels. Got like a little luggage thing right here. It does have tabs so you can lock it up if you want. So I've had ice in this cooler here for about 8 days. It's been 8 days since I left this ice in here, and I must say, still in there, cold. Now they do have some meltage going on, but overall, I mean, the ice is still in there. So if I did have something in here, I'm sure it'd be cool by now as far as like liquid items. It's a solid cooler. This is an alternative if you don't want to go out and spend the hundreds of dollars on a Yeti, or you can actually go, there's coolers all over. There's the Arctic brand, but this cooler here, Texas made, it does the job. If you're on a camping trip, I can imagine you being out there for 7 days, your items will stay cold. So I do recommend it. I'm going to leave it out a couple more days. Hopefully I can go 2 weeks with the ice still in there. No leaks at all. One thing I did notice, it does have the water spout is all the way at the bottom. There's some moisture at the bottom, but no leak. And that's just for the plastic. And it's pretty much good reinforcement. Good insulation. You can see how sturdy it is with this inner core here. So highly recommended. This comes from Lowe's. You can probably get these online. Just give you a better idea of what I have here. So if I had to give this on a cool scale, 1 to 5, I'd probably give it about a 3.5 to 4, due to the fact it's just not, well, it's the plastic. It's a good plastic. I mean, just for the size of it, I mean, it works. They say 85 cans, but I don't see you putting 85 cans in with the ice. But overall, it does the job. I mean, what I had in here, it kept it cool for a long time. So I do recommend this cooler. It's a cheap alternative to some of the more pricier ones out. So leave your comments if you had any issues with the cooler. If you have any reviews you would like to add to this video, let me know.